earth is to them so bitter that each one abandons it in glitter through ignorance's way. My heart is startled by no thing save that province has changed its name. So it failed so much it broke its string. Henceforth foul hence shall be its fame, for a loyal lordship dear and fine it's swapped for a greedy design, and so loses worth's flame. I well would wish the king felt envy to start a war with the French today, who vanquishes, takes and shatters plenty Turks whom the French have not to pay. And he who now their vanquishes vanquishes, it seems if one well distinguishes the vanquished he'll lightly slay. If now the king of Aragon does not rise, he delays too far, and the counter whom to lose is drawn, let them now have no delay. For if one does not, the other fend a greater leap the French will send without fear's bar. To what end never shall be far, nor is any man's intent so set to do a thing one should as ought, so earth turns to neglect's regret. For he who takes shame on his face, if he avenges not nor clears the case, he suffers too much yet. Lord Guilhem de Montanhagol was well, where many a rich man from it fell. Thus does great valor spout.